Hey guys, this is Sharanya. Welcome to my channel Art by Shanu. Today I'm painting this beautiful autumn landscape. Here I'm using Gouache. First of all, let's hydrate it with water. I'm using A7 sketchbook for this painting. For the sky, I'm using cobalt blue and white. Here I'm using flat brush. I'm leaving the cloud part and painting the remaining part with the cobalt blue. Here I'm blending with white around the clouds. Here I'm painting the remaining part with white color. If you observe, I'm using the same flat brush for the entire sky and blending it again. Continue blending until you get the perfect sky. Now I'm painting the trees part. First of all, I'm using olive green and parrot green. Oh, I forgot to record that part. I have used burnt umber plus a little amount of yellow to that. Here I'm painting the background of the plant with the yellow and added a little amount of umber to it. Here I'm using only yellow color and painting the upper part of the plant. Here I'm using burnt umber to add the details to it. Hence you can also use the old damaged flat brush to add the details to it. But the details were accurate with this. You can check the color details on the screen and you can add the details to the plants. Now I'm adding the trunk and the branches. For the branches, give lines here and there to look realistic. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.